Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers weather widget to your WooCommerce website. A weather widget can help you display live weather updates, improve user engagement, and make your website more interactive and useful for visitors. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Then click on Websites. After that, click on Add New Website and enter your WooCommerce website link. Once you've added the link, click on Add Website. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. In the Plugins section, search for the Popper plugin, then install and activate it. After activation, click on Popper from the left sidebar. Then check your email and click on Save Account Email. Now go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets, and after that, click Create New Widget. Now search for Weather in the search bar. After that, you'll see an option to select a layout. Choose any layout you prefer. Once the widget opens, if you want to fetch live weather data, you need to enter Open Weather API key. For this setup, we'll add the API key and then save it. After that, we have Location and City panel settings, where you can change the location mode and update the units to Fahrenheit or Celsius. If you've selected a specific location, you can also search for a specific city. Under Templates tab, you'll find different templates that you can choose from and use on your website. In the Appearance section, the settings will change based on the template you selected, so if you switch templates, the appearance options will update too. You can also preview the widget in mobile view by clicking the option in the top right corner. And if needed, you can test it in both dark mode and light mode. This only changes the color of the editor background. Once you're happy with the customization, click Install Widget. After that, you'll get an installation code and go to your WooCommerce site. Now add a custom HTML block, paste the code inside it, and save your changes. Once your website is live, refresh the page, and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.